progressive journalism, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. In the midst of the ongoing battle against coronavirus, Karnataka has managed to fully inoculate 1.6 crore of the population, making it the highest number in South India, which means that 32% of its target population of 4.9 crore have taken both their jabs in the state as of 7 a.m. on September 27, 2021 on the CoWIN dashboard. Addressing a press conference, Dr. Sudhakar, Health and Medical Education Minister, said, "We had decided to celebrate Prime Minister Modi ji's birthday in a meaningful manner with an accelerated special vaccination drive. CM Bommai fully supported the initiative and we had set the range to clock 30 lakh jabs. By inoculating 62,000 persons for every 10 lakh eligible population, Karnataka stands first in the entire country. 14,401 vaccination centers were set up across the state, and on an average, 205 doses were administered in each center. With 4.09 lakh doses, BBMP has administered the highest jabs in the country. About 14.96 lakh have been for women, and all 14.53 lakh were administered for men. This makes the state rank 5th in terms of the absolute number of people fully vaccinated in the country. However, 67% of the target population still needs to get vaccinated with the second dose in Karnataka. The Special Wednesday camps, which were started in September 1st, had helped vaccinate nearly 12.5 lakh people. As for the other South Indian states, Andhra Pradesh has fully vaccinated around 1.3 crore people. Tamil Nadu stands at 1.1 crore and Kerala at 1 crore. To reduce the intensity of the third wave, more people must be fully vaccinated with both doses. Though it may not reduce the number of infections and stop the transmission, it does prevent mortality.